boys, guys, men, hii kitu si poa. Like how comes unachapa bibi yako, amezaa mtoto wa kwanza, wa pili, wa tatu. Na wale wenye by the way hawajazaa bado na bwanaka na kuchapa you, if you're seeing those red flags, please run. Run for your life. Save yourself.
Ni huyo mtoto mwenye ako shule. Wana date, yani hata mzazi hayuko aware of what is going on. Yani anasikia tu fanya hivi, tayarisha matanga.
You have finished that marriage.
No, how
alafu una find out your bwana alikuwa na mtoto ajai kwambia. Na hao wazazi wanatuambia tuvumilia, ati mimi nilivumilia babaka kimchapa. Wazazi.
My sister.
Hey!
Shine Plus TV.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Keza for those who are new here, and if you're new here, kindly don't forget to click the subscribe button, like this video, comment and share. So as usual, I'm here with Tururu.
Guys. Okay, Tururu what? Tururu what? Tena nimekuwa nini upepo. Mani, though. Guys, kuna kitu mimi sipendangi. Mimi nimesha kuintroduce Tururu.
Azineka mashangwe na vigelegele. You don't want that. See, we switch up, sometimes we change.
Hey, help me now. Okay guys, this is your Esther. I'm back. It's a banger guys. Like, hey, acha tu. Leo tunaenda kuongelelea kuhusu relationship.
Oh my god.
Yeah, today
I like this
but
one.
today we are going to be serious.
Yeah.
A little serious, little funny, but little serious. Can I start? Please. Kione. Guys, hebu mkuje kuandika kwa comments vile.
Obvious wataandika.
No, wataandika, you know.
Hawajai andika ukisema.
So guys, the relationship that you are going to talk about is about those who are married. Yeah, sana. Yeah, cause guys, tumekuja kuona in Kenya. Not only in Kenya. Even Africa, other Eastern countries, maybe South countries or Western countries that we don't know, men are beating their wives.
Thoroughly.
So, boys, guys, men, hii kitu si poa. Like how comes unachapa bibi yako, amezaa mtoto wa kwanza, wa pili, wa tatu. Na wale wenye by the way hawajazaa bado na bwanaka na kuchapa you, if you're seeing those red flags, please run. Run for your life. Save yourself. Do you get that? Run. Cause imagine juzi uliona hii. Huyu boy mwenye alishikwa akiwa amekatakata.
Yeah, I actually saw that. I was so terrified.
Oh
my god, all the body parts.
Yeah.
Like each equal on.
You saw the video. Me, I cannot see that video.
I saw it with my bare eyes.
But huyo kijana actually ni kama alikuwa possessed by his ancestors. Cause how comes you're killing an innocent girl? What judgment caused you to kill her? Imagine hata kwa comments unasikia vijana wengine, si ndio? Wanasema ati msisema ati mbona alimuua, ati sijui mutafute reason. There is no reason can force a human being to kill another human being, because all of us, we are not perfect at all. Maybe huyo kijana akiwa mtoto, mimi vile naona, are you here?
I'm listening.
Baby girl, I need your eye contact. Like, this is a serious discussion.
You're talking to them, not me.
No,
because I know that's your reason, and also I'm going to give my part. Yeah?
You know guys, huyu nitamfukuza hapa aende nijifanyie peke yangu. Unasikia guys? So mimi naona ni kama huyo boy alikuanga ni kitu yenye alijeka ndani. Like, if my girlfriend does this and that, lazima nitamfanyia hii na hii. Unasikia? So boys, be careful of what you say that you will do to your girlfriends. So, what do you say about those who beat their wives?
What I can say, personally, sijui ni nini na causing hivyo, because si mara ya kwanza tunaona kesi kama hiyo. Hata watu wa university, leave alone those who are married, Yeah, kuna wenye they kill their girlfriends wa university. Imagine someone's daughter ametumwa shule, yeah? Maybe parent wake ako somewhere like hawako in contact, and then all of a sudden unasikia tu your daughter hivi na hivi. Oh my god. Me ndo maana actually I'm scared of some things, because sa ukijieka kwa hiyo situation, oh my days. Ibaze umwana we wamutumye ku ishuri ntuzi nimba arimo aradatinga, tuvuze ku aba married couples cyangwa aba bana. Okay, yeah, you can take that responsibility, but what scares me most ni huyo mtoto mwenye ako shule wana date, yani hata mzazi hayuko aware of what is going on, yani anasikia tu fanya hivi, tayarisha matanga. Mimi nikawa ni mtoto wangu personally, sijui naweza act aje towards the person who killed my daughter or son. Hivyo ndo naweza sema.
Actually guys, mi vile naona this case is like, mi najua kwa nini huyu boy anafika mahali anaoa bibi yake, anaoa fiancé wake so called. Cause huyu mtu before akwe na hiyo hekima ya kuua huyo mtu ama hekima ya kuchapa huyo bibi yake mbele ya watoto, unasikia? Maybe unaweza pata, not even maybe, it is a must in their family. He came from a toxic family where he grew up seeing his his mother being beaten, her mother being beaten by the father. Yeah, cause wezi niambia we ni bwana unachapa your wife na hakuna mahali uliona before u set up that relationship. Na these girls who says sijui ati mimi nitachange huyu bwana. Girls, tumewasalimia. Let me tell you, true love to boys, true love to men, like ule bwana mwenye anakupenda, ule bwana mwenye anakupenda ni ule bwana mwenye like actually atasacrifice hiyo pombe achane nayo because of you girl, atacha hata hiyo business because of you, atacha like just to have you, atachana na zile shida zote ama all those qualities that are like negative, sindio? Just to follow you. So I don't know why you girls force yourself on a mahuru na yeye anakuambia, mimi napendanga maboy mahuru by the way, anakuambia check it them, mimi kama umenibebea mimba jua tu I'm not ready to take that child, sindio? But unapata huyu dem ati sijui ni pay reason. What reason are you waiting for? And you're seeing the red flags. Umeenda bash na boy wako, umeenda out na boy wako, but ameona other girls wearing good clothes, they're smart, beautiful, wako na nyash kubwa, unasikia boobs, like huyo bwanako unaona you're two on that event na unaona anawafuata, like he's following them. Girl, you cannot tell me that man loves you actually. No. And you man, when you follow that girl, remember huyo bibi alikuchukua vile uko. Kumbuka si familia yako, si blood related yako, like mamaka atakupenda juu ni mamako alikuzaa, sisterka atakupenda juu when ni brother yake, your bloodline, si ndio? Lakini bibi, lakini ule mwenye unatafuta kama girlfriend, achana na girlfriend, fiance, wewe amekuchukua vile uko, tabia zako zote, and you have to be willing to change all that tabia because amekuaccept vile uko. So you have to respect that soul, manze. Like, how can you beat a woman that has given birth to 2 children, one kid, 3 kids? What are you teaching the society? What are you teaching those children? What are they going to do? Me, I'm sure %, huyo kijana mwenye aliua huyo fiancé wake mwenye alikuwa amepotea, I'm 100 sure that man or that boy came from a toxic family. And that toxic family, it's where that he found himself, whereby his father or ama lineage, unapata wanachapa mabibi. Unasikia? Juwezi niambia umefika kiwango ya kufikiria kuua. Juu you're jealous. Jealous of what?
Okay, personally, I have a different point of view of whatever is going on.
Yeah.
Mi naona ati abuse of substance ama tunaweza sema drugs. Na hizo mavitu, mapombe, mabangi,
yeah, all of those things come from a toxic family.
Cha kabiri. Twavuga kwa ari as in hiyo tuachane na toxicity from family, toxicity ya as in out tu wao wapenzi.
Okay.
Because you attract what you are. If you are toxic, there's no way you're going to attract someone who's not toxic. Na saka nyi wote mko toxic together, kuna tu vile mtacollide. So vile naweza sema, if kama obviously kila mtu hayuko toxic, kuna vile mtu ako toxic on like a certain level. Hatuko si wote toxic on the same level, never. Because utapata partner wangu as in kuna hizo standards zenye nataka afike. Yeah?
Okay.
Na siwezi taka kama mtu mwenye anatumia substances, kama mtu mwenye anakuanga loud. Hizo ndo red flags tunaongelelea. Mtu mwenye as in the moment uta-realize someone, hata kama mjamaliza hiyo talking stage ama hiyo fiance face ama kitu kama hiyo, as in someone who dares raise their voice at you, someone who dares like flinch at you, you know that's a red flag. Now you don't know what's ahead of that.
Yeah, in the future.
Yeah, that's why
it predicts a lot actually.
Yeah, that's why ufai ku-entertain such things. The moment mtu anafungua tu mdomo yake anakutusi kama unajatoa mahari, as in hakuna kitu yoyote yenye ina prove that he has like any legal like ownership ama tuseme any uburenganzira bufiteho. Even ndo naweza sema kwani hata wewe uget that sign kama you are a girl listening to this, any red flags, you should run away. Flee, baby girl. Hata utajikuta tu kichinjio.
Hapana, first of all, huyo boy mwenye, that man that is showing you red flags hapa in Kenya. First of all, you followed that man. He never gave out anything to your family. O ngombe vile wanasemanga, si ndio? Like nataka msichana wenu, so acha niwape. Yani ule mtu careless, anatusiana, anakuambia mimi sina aibu ya kuchapa dem. Girl, let me tell you.
And you are still seated there.
He's telling you that I can beat you.
Oh my God.
When you see a man is pointing at you, a finger when you're in a
don't
wait for anything. Just say
the moment
ciao.
You raise
because
your
girl,
voice.
Yeah.
Come on. Hakuna as in mtu aniraise voice hata babangu anafanyagi bwana nikalisha chini ananiongelesha if there's something to talk about, something serious. Who are you?
Hapana, na hao wasichana wenye actually wanafuata vijana wakisema no, I will change him actually, but he's handsome.
Change who?
Let me tell you, even men, you change man, who? Me and you know that you cannot change because a girl is changing you. You can change because you love that girl. But you cannot change because a girl is changing you and you have no feeling about her.
Yeah.
So, please. Wasichana wenye mnasema nitamchange tumewasalimia.
Hiyo ni uongo 100%.
Wasichana wenye au madem wenye wamevumilia hizo red flags, amechapwa kofi juzi amechitiwa kwa basha akiona na macho mbili. That's a big red flag. You can run away because next time ukimletea ati babe mbona nilikupata na huyu mnakisana sijui na mhug hivi feeling, please atakuchapa ama kutusi, hiyo red flag kimbia. Remember you're a woman, you must be treated like a flower, to be watered, si ndio? Yeah.
I'm so disappointed right now.
Yeah, a lot.
Because of that phase ati I can change. Okay, yeah, you can change someone, but someone who's willing to change at least.
But nimeona hadi huyu bwana mwenye ana realize atachapa huyu bibi ama huyu fiance wake. Anamwambia let's break up. Dem anarudi kwa nyumba akimwambia ati Give me a reason. Why do you want us to finish this thing of ours? Why do you want that? Yani dem anataka reason hata naenda kumwaibisha anywhere. That man is you girl, you're forcing that man to
unarudia someone who's like ye mwenyewe anataka kuend the relationship. Unaendelea tu ku. Let me tell you something. Sometimes if you want to save your own heart, you have to rip it out of your chest. Yeah? If you want to if you want to save your own heart, you can rip it out of your chest to save your own heart. Because the moment you self yourself from someone, come on, uji intentions zake ataona, oh, okay, so huyu I can do anything na bado atakuwa tu stick around. That's not advisable.
Like in girls, let me tell you, even those who are in marriage and those who are just planning to have that marriage, these men wanna feature their true personality. In marriage, after 2 years, let me tell you, Keza, my sister, that man you dated knowing that he doesn't take alcohol has started to take alcohol. It's not too late. Run for your life.
Personally,
umwambie like mimi sikukujua hivi kani hivi chao na si lazima umwambie tunaenda. You can move without him knowing. Acha jue uko mbeleni ama ni aje.
Personally, mimi siwezi like entertain kitu ati now na my partner na ni surprise in the near future. No, as in kama you have not settled with someone and get to learn him, or if you're a female, if you are a male, get to learn her. Come on, who as in unamuoa aje?
Hapana, kuna
you don't know the person you are marrying.
Kuna hao wengine wanasema ati he proposed to me. Yeah, you're in marriage. You have finished that marriage.
No, how comes?
Alafu una find out your bwana alikuwa na mtoto ajaikwambia.
Listen, swali yangu ni mbona ifike point yenye we mwenyewe hujui your own partner, as in kulikuwa na hiyo dating phase, mbona like hamwezi like juana kwanza, because kama mnapendana there's still time to learn each other. So hakuna reason at all if you are watching this video in the near future, hakuna reason yenye partner wako ata like ana change ama na camouflage ukiona. There's no way. Hey, listen, if you're a girl, take your time. As in, study someone. It's not too late. Kama you people love each other, you're going to be patient.
It's too late to love.
No one. Kama vitu zenye zina take time, it's love.
Mimi vile nimeona na hao wazazi wanatuambia tuvumilia, ati mimi nilivumilia babaka tumchapa. Wazazi.
My sister.
Hey. Ukukimbia. Maybe he wasn't even the right person, but
nilisoma karate utaniletea. Guy.
Parents who are telling their children who are already married and being beaten that my child, please be patient, vumilia hii hali. Na mimi nilivumilia. Hatutaki watu watuongelelee vibaya. Kumbuka huyo mtoto wake anachapa na neighbors wanasikia. Ashaanza kuongea, run for your life, girl.
For crying out loud. Hey, if kuna
vitu za kuvumilia, that is
if there's something to be patient about, it's like improvement.
Yeah.
There's nothing to be patient about, as in beating me. Nikwe patient, unipige, sa nikwe patient.
Like,
ifike point, come on.
Like, vijana, acha naambia bibi yake ati, uko wapi? Bibi yake anamwambia nimetoka job na kuja home. Bibi anafika home, unamchapa alafu namwambia sijui ati katikati yangu na wewe mmoja ataenda sijui mochari ama mwingine aende kamiti. You man, are you insane? Like, how dare you tell a human being like that? You know, fear is being brought by the devil, but actually don't ever entertain such fear.
Yeah.
Be bold, be courageous, fly like an eagle.
Period.
An eagle, by the way mjifunzange kwa eagle. Eagle piki yake kitoka, si ndio? Itaenda itafly. Imalizo kwa miaka. Hiyo nini yake ikigrow. Na ikigrow, sasa ikirudi. Inarudi kimerudi.
With another kind of strength.
You are a mother, you have given birth to one child and you're being beaten up. run for your life. And you who is seeing the red flags but you're not being proposed, it's not too late.
Kwanza ako kadutayemo.
Your person is
not
waiting
fair.
for
Oh
you.
my
Your
God.
man is praying for you day and night.
Imagine.
You're at a wrong red flag of a human being
Hey.
who is lost, who doesn't know where he's going.
Imagine being treated like.
And you're not yet proposed.
Oh, Mbegi. Oh, guy. So you want to tell me that kuna mtu anavumilia, okay, wako kwa hiyo dating phase, anavumilia beatings, anavumilia not being treated right.
Sindio?
Proposiwa. Being treated the right, oh my God, being treated the right way, and you want to tell me kuna bado kitu una anticipate for that relationship. Girl,
I'll tell you guys, your man is waiting for you, and when you're still at teenager age and you're a girl, you want your marriage to be perfect. Mm-hmm. This is the right time to pray for your man.
Exactly.
Because when you grow up, he will come himself propose. He'll come himself and changes every negative habit or character that you don't like in men. Just to win you, just to fit in your world. So please, men, me today nimekuja nikiambia the women who are married, if you're seeing such red flags, run for your life. And
I'm speaking to you, young ladies.
Girl, you're
ladies
still
of
beautiful.
Substance. Come on, like katu chini because you are the prize. Kama kuna kitu nataka kuambia, if you're a girl in your early 20s, unaelekea huko kwenye si wote tunaelekea, you are the prize. Don't let anyone treat you like as in ni kama you are not the prize, because you are at the end of the day when the prize. So act like one. Yeah. And tukimalizia,
act like champagne.
Champagne, yeah.
Champagne is so expensive. I told you, fly like an eagle. Champagne, because you're not everyone cup of tea. You're champagne. So don't let a man raise that red flag upon you, girl. Copy that. Yeah. So these
as
girls
finish,
as we finish, let me tell you, you women who are in this marriage, if you're seeing that it's all about care, a man loves to be being treated
kuna wadi nimeona
well, like
imagine
ukitreat bwanako vizuri, the red flags zitatoka, but
imagine you young lady,
it's bad,
because personally, as in I'm talking mostly to young ladies. Imagine someone died for you on the cross, and then someone you're entertaining out there is not even worth a penny. Imagine, and there's someone who come on,
just
someone died for you,
yeah.
Girl. Imagine, and then someone wants to kill you instead. So I don't see the point of
just
all that.
Run for your life if you're seeing such red flags. Kama hata amekupoint, anakuambia unajua akimpoint babe anaanza kumwambia ama babe, you know what,
yenye atafika pointiwe atakuwa sha raise their voice at you.
Yeah.
So the moment ame raise
jua tu ni
amesema
you will be a boxing atakuwa
I'm not ready for that.
Boxing bag, yeah, we are boys, sindio. So girl, if you see that those red flags, just run for your life.
Run for your life.
That's all. I think that's all.
Yeah. And with that,
now madam tumewasalimia wenye wanasema ati babe, give me a reason why you are breaking up.
Hakuna reason wetu kanyaga tu kuenda home, drink some water, and sleep.
You will heal with time.
Yeah, time heals. Yeah.
Because at some extent you tell that man that babe, mbona tuna break up, na asha kuambia the reason, unasikia, you're forcing that man to beat you,
to kill you, in fact,
tukukatakata yu nyama wakukose for 1 month, tusikia tu wanakupitisha kwa mpaka.
Oh my days. Anyway, with that being said, it was just a remark. Yeah, we are not talking directly to someone, we are talking to the world. The sponsor of this video.
Seriously, guys, mumemsikia, sindio? Now the way she was burning. So as we wind up guys. We love you so much. We told you on our Shine Plus TV, we will be passing a lot of things. A lot. So today we are telling about our fellow female to run and to be careful with those red flags. Just run for your life. You're beautiful.
You're wonderfully made. Oh my God.
You're not everyone's cup of tea. Yeah. So we love you so much. Don't forget to click that button. Don't forget to share. Maybe it will help a lot of girls in Nairobi, in
the world.
Same in the world. I forgot even. These men who have girlfriends and set these girlfriends to a rich man. That's not true love. That's not true love. Anampiga pass. Na wako kwa ghetto moja. Kwa mtajiri. Hata alfa naambia huyo mtajiri sijui nipe 1 million just to give you my girl 2 million. It's so embarrassing. You girls, I'm greeting you. Just run for your life. Kama umefika hiyo kiwango na kupe. Even it's happening in Nigeria, girl. Whereby a man give a pass to a rich man, his girlfriend, his fiancé.
Labda na kwangu amepanga pamoja.
Actually, it was just a dropout. Tutawaambia. Mtuambie kwa nini, because we are winding up, guys. So, don't forget here to share, to click on our Shine Plus TV. Me and Keza.
Yeah. Also, kindly don't forget to pass by Papa Plus TV, the sponsor of whatever we do.
Yeah. And also, to those who are Rwandans, we will get a lot of feedback from Papa Plus TV.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And with that being said, we love you. We adore you.
Guys, with that being said, with that being, like, can you...
Unacha misi wewe, shout ka wewe.
Guys, just shout.
Guys, like, I'm not that
you're whispering.
I'm not whispering. I'm sure wamesikia. Yeah, I'm very sure. Labda watu wako.
Guys, we love you so much. So much. And we
very
hope
much
to bring a lot in future. A lot. Just chill.
Yeah, sit
chill
down
and wait.
And watch.
Wait and watch. So,
yeah.
ciao, ciao. We love you so much.